Hey everyone, we're here at AAO. I have Mandy Payne here to walk us through the multi-bite scan feature. Mandy, if you want to take us through and kind of give us a demo of it, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. So the doctor can take two different bite relationships on a patient, and when they send the case, they can open up our viewer. Here, we can toggle between our bites, so we can see bite 1 and bite 2. So this is excellent for if the doctor needs a sleep appliance made or is wanting to show a record of a CRCO shift. Any reason why he would want to take a multi-bite, he has that option. Here on the screen, on this high definition touchscreen, we can choose color mode also, which is a nice view. We can take away either the upper or lower arch, and when we rotate to the occlusal view, we can also show the occlusal clearance feature. So that's our multi-bite, so they can educate their patient on any kind of bite issues that they might be having. The areas in red are areas where that patient is occluding really hard, so if their bite is in trauma and they need to educate their patient on that, it's right here on the screen.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mandy. I appreciate you walking us through the multi-bite scan feature, and I think it's a great tool to kind of compare two different scans a patient might have.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.